हेलो एवरीवन, आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे रिलेशन बिटवीन जी एंड जी, रिलेशन बिटवीन कैपिटल जी एंड स्मॉल जी. You know already the definition of small g and capital G. The acceleration due to gravitational force of the earth and is called acceleration due to gravity. The acceleration is due to gravitational force of the earth is called acceleration due to gravity. So with this figure you can see, consider an object of mass m. Consider an object of mass m. This is point P and placed at a distance of r, and let m, capital M, be the mass of earth and capital G is universal gravitational constant. Then we can write in this way: the gravitational force acting on the object due to earth, the gravitational force due to gravitational force acting on the object due to the earth is, you know already, F equal G m by r square, where capital M is the mass of earth and small m is the object from distance r. You can suppose this is equation number 1, and we know that this force produces acceleration in the object of mass m and is called acceleration due to gravity. It is given by G equal F upon m. कोई ऑब्जेक्ट यदि ऊपर से नीचे इन्फ्लुएंस ऑफ ग्रेविटी में नीचे गिरता है तो उसका फार्मूला क्या होता है? F इक्वल एम ए. तो यहाँ हम लिख सकते हैं द फोर्स प्रोड्यूस एक्सेलरेशन, द फोर्स produces acceleration in the object acceleration in the object of mass m, small m, and is called acceleration due to gravity, and is called acceleration due to gravity. Then we can write F equal m into a when acceleration due to gravity. When acceleration is acceleration due to gravity, then we can write F equal m into g. From this formula, first F equal G equal F by m. This is equation number 2. You can suppose put the value of F from equation number 1 in equation number 2. Then it's become G equal G m by r square by m. Then it's become G equal G m by r square. This is the relation between capital G and small g. Okay, so we can write for object on or near the surface of earth, we can represent this equation G equal Gm by r square. This is the relation. So this is the relation between small g and capital G, acceleration due to gravity and universal gravitational constant.